Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, we have to make sure that we've got the internet connection because of course it is required to download something, and then we can enter the Play Store. Be aware that you will have to log in if you do not have your account added to the device, and then after that just tap on the circle in the right upper corner. Tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device. So we have to tap on Updates Available, and your device will show you which apps which are already installed can be updated. So as you can see, in my case, I've got 26 of them. If you want, you can mark all of the updates and all of the apps will be updated. If not, you can just pick like 2 or 3 different apps just by marking them. And after doing that, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. Just tap on it, and as you can see, your device right now will download the updates, and after that it will automatically install them and update the apps. So basically right now you just have to wait patiently. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.